My name is Andrea and I'm here with the landlord to show you a two-bedroom apartment in the second floor of a building with no elevator. Over here you have the entrance. So as soon as you go inside the apartment, you're going to find a small entrance hall where you have a mirror and some hangers for you to put the clothes as well as the keys over here to the left, as you can see. And if you walk all the way straight, you're going to find to the left the living room area where you have the sofas areas and some chairs around for you to sit down in the coffee table. You also have an exit towards a terrace outside that has the views to the sea, as you can see over there. It's a beautiful day over there. And that all of that perimeter with the pool and everything, those are common grounds for you to use as well. And now if you continue to the right, you're going to find the TV area, which is a smart TV. And you also have the dining room table over there for you to sit down and enjoy some food, as well as the shelving stuff around as well. And if you go all the way to the right now, you're going to find two doors over there where you have the kitchen. And if you go inside the kitchen, you're going to see the fridge with the freezer. It is fully equipped with the stove, the oven, dishwasher, sink, and everything that you might need in order for you to cook out. And then all the way down to the end of the kitchen, you're going to find a small laundry area for you to use it, with the washing machine over there, as well as the water heater with the outside area and some clotheslines for you to hang the clothes as well. Now, if you walk out of the kitchen, you're going to find all the way straight the bedroom areas as well as the bathroom area. You have air conditioner unit right on front, right up there, as you can see, and it's also a heater. And if you go all the way in, you have the bathroom area where you have the sink with the mirror right on top with some storage right under it. And you also have a shelving space as well as the toilet and the shower right over there, as you can see. And now we're gonna go check the bedroom areas where you have the main one all the way straight, where you have a double bed with a closet space to the right of the bed. You also have a window. As you can see over here, you have the closet space, and you also have some drawer space as you saw as you walked in. And this would be the first bedroom. And now we're gonna go to the second bedroom, which is the bedroom, where you have two single beds with the drawer space, again, a window and a built-in closet. And as you can see, you get tons of natural light coming inside of the apartment, as you can see, and tons of lighting. You also need to know that you have a parking available, private parking spot in the property as well. And you have tons of gardens, tennis courts areas. You also have swimming pools and a soccer field as well. This would be the whole apartment. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you liked it.